Spanish kitchen. In this channel, we will teach you how to prepare the most typical Spanish recipes. So if you are a fan of Spanish omelette, paella or tapas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we will have new videos every Wednesday. Today I bring you a recipe that it can't be more Spanish. Today I'm going to make huevos rotos or broken eggs. This is not a recipe, it's just 2 ingredients, potatoes, eggs, and also I'm going to serve it with a very good Spanish ham. So don't miss this video and let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe we need 600 grams potatoes, 3 eggs, 100 grams of Iberico ham or any other ingredient you like more, and oil for frying. Let's start by peeling the potatoes and cut them into sticks. I like to cut them into small sticks. Salt well. You know that I'm not stingy with salt. We are going to put a frying pan with enough olive oil and we are going to fry them for about 20 minutes until they are well browned, moving them from time to time. Transfer them to a dish with kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. In the same frying pan with the same oil, fry the eggs. The oil has to be very hot. I want the white to be done, but the yolk to be practically liquid. Pass them to a plate. Put the potatoes in a dish and place the slices of ham on top. Put the eggs, and now the most important thing. Otherwise, this dish wouldn't be called this way. You have to break the eggs and spread the yolks all over the plate. And so simple, guys. Enjoy! This dish is delicious. As you can imagine, this is not exactly light, but you can give ourselves a treat from time to time. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us your thumbs up and we will see you the next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!